Ready to make anatomy easier? Let's understand what lies beneath the skin, from its layers to the fascia, visually and step by step. Let's begin.
The skin is made up of three basic layers: epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. Epidermis is further subdivided into 5 layers from superficial to deep. We have the stratum corneum, the stratum lucidum, then we have stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum and stratum basale. Regarding the fascia, we learned there are two different types of fascia. One is superficial fascia, which contains loose connective tissue with fat. Deep fascia, which looks more like a membrane. Deep fascia gets modified to form ligaments, retinacula, which help keep the tendons of the muscles in position. Then we also learnt about the clinical applications of knowing the anatomy of skin or the fascia.
Let's build your medical foundation. Watch the full video on Bridge in the DocTutorials app.